Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an FBX character model with ARKit Blendshape support from scratch, and then how to test it using an AI-generated voice script and Voxpheus. If you are ready, let us get started. Enjoy the video. First, we need to load the Blendshape models we downloaded from GitHub. In Houdini, there is a specific node that allows us to batch load these, the File Merge SOP node. Click the Select Files button to select all your files. Now, all files are imported together. From here, we will isolate the file named neutral and set it as our base model. Under the File Merge properties, check the File Name attribute option. As you can see, all file names are now listed, and we have successfully separated our neutral model. When we examine our model, you will notice it does not have any UVs. I am going to transfer the UVs from an existing model. For this, I am loading a MetaHuman head model, which you can find in the description below. Since we only need the head, I will isolate that part. To perform the UV transfer, I need to align the faces of both models. I will get the MetaHuman model as close to our face model's alignment as possible and delete any unnecessary parts. Using the Lab's UV transfer node, I will transfer the UVs onto our face model. Let us check the UVs. I will set the background image to the MetaHuman face texture, which you can download from the link in the description. We need to clean up the UVs a bit. I will add a UV brush node, turn on the symmetry feature, and smooth out the UVs. I will use a UV edit node to fix the mouth area. Now let us see how the texture looks on the model. I will add a UV quick shade node. It looks great. Now let us set up the rig. I will create a single joint rig and give our joint a name. Next, we will generate the transform matrix using the rig doctor node. Now I will bind the joint to the model using the capture packed geometry node. And our rig is ready. Next up is adding the blend shapes to the model. I will add a character blend shapes add node and connect it to the file merge node. However, this node expects packed data. Therefore, we need to pack our models based on the name attribute. I will quickly add an assemble node. The name attribute is already defined. I will check the Create Packed Primitives option and set Transfer Attributes to Name. As you can see, all the ARKit Blendshape names have appeared. I will turn off the Create Packed Fragments option. Our blend shapes are now successfully added. Let us test the setup. I will add a Character Blend Shapes Channels node. Connect the first input to the rig and the second input to the model. Click the Update from Inputs button, and all the blend shapes will show up. Let us test them using the Character Blend Shapes node. Perfect. All blend shapes are working flawlessly. That is it for the model preparation. Now, let us export this model as an FBX file. But first, we need to set up the materials. The FBX format supports the principled shader. I will attach a material node to the model. Then I will create a material network and add a principled shader inside it, naming it Face. After tweaking the material settings, I will add our texture. Finally, I will connect the model and joint outputs to the Rop FBX Character Output node. To ensure the material is exported correctly, this node requires an attribute named FBX Material Name. We will create this attribute and then save our model. Now let us test our system. For this, I asked Gemini to write a short speech about ARKit Blendshape, under 300 words. I will copy this text and convert it into an audio file using 11 Labs. I downloaded the MP3 file and renamed it ARKit. However, our system requires the WAV format. I will quickly use Audacity to convert it. Now everything is ready. Let us convert this audio into Blendshape data using Voxpheus. You can check out the other video in the description for a detailed guide on how to use Voxpheus. Click the Voxpheus button from the Shelf tool. Select our audio file and the FBX file we just created. Make sure the FPS value matches your Houdini project. Set the Blendshape mode to ARKit 52. Finally, click the Generate Network button. And there you have it. Our entire setup is ready.
Hello, everyone. Today, I wanted to talk about a powerful technology that bridges the gap between our real-world expressions and the digital realm. ARKit Blendshapes. Have you ever wondered how a digital character, like an emoji or a game avatar, can mirror your smile, blink, or frown in?
Thank you for watching.